This is Chris Collis with TJ Snow Company. We're here at FABTECH in Atlanta. We're introducing a new line of TECNA handheld weld guns. This is different in that this uses a new MFD-C power supply as opposed to the traditional AC that we've sold for many years. Very portable, comes in a range of sizes for different material thicknesses and different arm lengths for different products. We also have our new line of pneumatic balancers. This is a air hose assembly that attaches to our traditional balancers. It allows you to do air tools and hook it to your plant shop supply. These are explosion resistance balancers, so all the materials inside and on the casing are non-sparking, so you can use them in hazardous environments. And this is our wash down capable balancer, used for food processing, anything where you have a daily wash down and don't want corrosion and rust within the balancer mechanism. We also have our traditional PED welders. This is a rocker arm style. We also offer press style to cover different material, different applications.